Choosing between a Robinhood cash account and margin account, I've been trading on both for over a year. One keeps you safe, the other gives you power and risk. Here's what you need to know. Cash account is straightforward. You can only trade with money you actually have. No borrowing, no leverage. When you buy a stock, the money leaves your account immediately. When you sell, you wait for settlement. That's T plus 2, meaning 2 business days before you can use that cash again. I use this for long-term holds and safer plays. Pattern day trading rules don't apply here, which is huge. You can make as many day trades as you want without the $25,000 minimum requirement. But here's what gets annoying, that settlement period. Sell a stock Monday? Can't use that money until Wednesday. If you're actively trading, you'll constantly be waiting for cash to settle. Also, no option spreads. You can buy options, but complex strategies like credit spreads or iron condors? Not happening. You're limited to basic buying power only. Margin account gives you instant buying power. Sell a stock. Use that money immediately. No T plus 2. Wait. Robinhood also gives you margin. Basically, borrowing money to trade. It's currently 12% annual interest on amounts over $1,000. This unlocks option spreads, which means more advanced strategies. You can hedge positions, reduce risk with defined risk trades, and generally have more flexibility. Instant settlement makes active trading way smoother. But margin is dangerous if you don't respect it. You can lose more than you invested. I've seen people blow up accounts using borrowed money on risky plays. Also, pattern day trading rules kick in. You need $25,000 minimum to day trade more than 3 times in 5 business days. Under that, you're flagged and restricted. Interest charges add up fast if you're carrying a margin balance. That 12% eats into profits quickly. New to trading or want to avoid debt? Cash account keeps you disciplined. Want instant settlement and advanced options? Margin account gives you tools, but you need to understand the risks. I keep both for different strategies.